things off by doing a little intro. Are the members ready? Are you guys ready?
Yeah.
Alright. Let's go. 1, 2, 7.
We are strangers.
Hi guys!
Yeah. What's up, guys? I look good today, man. Oh my god. I'm just kidding. Hi guys, I'm high. What's up? Let's have fun tonight.
Hi, this is your hot guy, Benjamin. Singing in the stadium! What's up, New York? Jumping in the building! Stray Kids are back. So glad to be back. I mean, the last time we were here, it was the 2020 District 9 Unlocked Tour.
It's been 2 years.
Yes, it's been like 2.5 years. Yeah.
Oh my god.
Wow.
Wow.
And we really missed you guys because, you know, I'm pretty sure more than us, you guys have probably, you know, missed us more. So. It's actually really nice to be back. But you know, since we're back, folks, don't you reckon that we need to see their faces? Yeah. We need to see their faces.
See that? Yeah, thank you. So I couldn't hear because everyone is so cheerful and so quiet. A round of applause. But honestly, yeah, it's been 2.5 years, and we're back ready to show what we've prepared so far. And we're just so happy to see every single faces here in the stadium. So thank you so much.
So we have a lights up in the stadium to see everyone here. But as you guys know, because it's been such a while, we have prepared a lot for the tour, and so we kickstarted our performance today with Maniac. Maniac. And after Maniac, we had what kind of performances, Simeon?
We had Venom.
Venom.
Red Lights.
I mean, you know, Red Lights is a very
Hot song.
sexy hot song with that chat. Why are you emoji? Yeah, but the performance itself, you know, the ideas and choreography, like everything was done by Hyunjin. So big round of applause. Thank you. So like our opening performances, we have prepared a lot more for today as well. So, are you guys ready to move on to the next performance?
I heard that the next stage is really hard to perform.
The next stage is so the next performance is really hard to perform.
It's crazy.
So difficult. So it's totally cool. Difficult, right?
Yeah.
It's called
No, it's easy.